Hey there, ready to dive into the exciting world of ETFs? Click the link in the description below for a special offer and let's get started. First off, what on earth is an ETF? Well, ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a big basket filled with different stocks or bonds. It's like ordering a combo meal instead of just fries. You get a bit of everything, and that's awesome because it spreads out your risk. Now, how do you actually start investing in ETFs? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is like setting up your own online store, but instead of selling stuff, you're buying ETFs. There are tons of options out there like Robinhood, E-Trade, or even your bank's investment services. Step 2. Do your homework. No, I don't mean the boring kind. Research different ETFs. Some track entire stock markets, while others focus on specific sectors like tech or healthcare. It's like choosing between a superhero movie or a romantic comedy. Pick what excites you. Step 3. Know the costs. ETFs have expense ratios, which are like tiny fees you pay for the fund to do its thing. It's usually pretty low, but always check so you're not surprised later on. Step 4. Buy your ETF. Log into your brokerage account, search for the ETF you want, and hit that buy button. Boom! You're now an ETF investor. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep an eye on your investments and adjust as needed, but don't stress over every little bump in the market. Ready to start your ETF adventure? Don't forget to click the link in the description below for your special offer. Happy investing! See you in the next video!